Hi, friends. The story that we're going to read this week is Peter's Chair by Ezra Jack Keats. The strategy that we're going to be using is predicting, making a prediction. When we make a prediction about a story, it helps us understand the story better and helps us to become good readers. So, I'm going to start the story and then we'll stop in a little bit and we will talk about some of our predictions. Remember, predictions is like when we're looking into the future and we're trying to guess what's going to happen next. And there's not a wrong or right answer when we're doing predicting. Okay, Peter's Chair. Peter stretched as high as he could. There, his tall building was finished. Crash! Down it came. Shh! Called his mother. You'll have to play more quietly. Remember, we have a new baby in the house. Peter looked into his sister Susie's room. His mother was fussing around the cradle. That's my cradle, he thought, and they painted it pink. Hi, Peter, said his father. Would you like to help paint your sister's high chair? It's my high chair, whispered Peter. He saw his crib and muttered, My crib! It's painted pink, too. Not far away stood his old chair. They didn't paint that yet, Peter shouted. He picked it up and ran to his room. Let's run away, Willie, he said. Peter filled a shopping bag with cookies and dog biscuits. We'll take my blue chair, my toy crocodile, and the picture of me when I was a baby. Willie got his bone. They went outside and stood in front of the house. This is a good place, said Peter. He arranged his things very nicely and decided to sit in his chair for a while. But he couldn't fit in the chair. He was too big. Okay, so what I want you to do now is think about your predictions. What do you think is going to happen next? Okay, we're going to make a prediction, and on your worksheet that goes with today's lesson, you're going to pause the video, and on the top part of the worksheet, you're going to fill out your prediction. Okay, so look here. This is the worksheet I'm talking about, and we've done this in class lots of times, so you're going to write one sentence up here in the top about what do you think is going to happen. I think, don't do anything on the bottom yet, you're going to do the bottom after the story. Okay, so pause the video and go write your prediction, and then come back and finish reading with me. His mother came to the window and called, Won't you come back to us, Peter dear? We have something very special for lunch. Peter and Willie made believe they didn't hear, but Peter got an idea. Soon his mother saw signs that Peter was home. That rascal is hiding behind the curtain, she said happily. So look over here. Do you see the feet behind the curtain? She moved the curtain away, but he wasn't there. Here I am, shouted Peter. Peter sat down in a grown-up chair. His father sat next to him. Daddy, said Peter, let's paint the little chair pink for Susie. How was your prediction? Did you think he was going to want to paint his chair? And they did. Okay, friends, so now you're going to go back to your worksheet, and at the bottom, you're going to write a sentence about what really did happen in the story. So your sentence is going to be, Peter helped his dad paint the chair, or Peter decided he wanted to give his chair to his sister, and make sure you remember to do an illustration. Bye, friends. See you tomorrow.